clear and see where I was better. One wrong turn, then before I knew that I was lost. Some say I was led astray, but I'm the one to blame. I'm just glad I found my way back to this little road again. I gotta keep walking down the straight and narrow road. The winding road, hard upon you, hard on your shoes. They can take you from the bedroom of the shadow, the straight and narrow is the road to choose. There's temptation on the left, there's temptation on the right. If you need a little help, keep your eyes upon the light. Keep on walking down the straight and narrow road. Any other road you take will lead you forward to the But if you want to save yourself in a world of sorrow, the straight and narrow is the road to choose. Green pasture just beyond the wood. Once you turn the corner, you'll find it's a package deal. There may be good times now and then, but if the truth be known, it's just a trick to keep you off of the road and lead you home. You better keep walking down the straight and narrow road. The winding road, the hard upon the heart and on the shoes. But it can take you from the bedroom of the shadows. The straight and narrow is the road to choose. There's frustration on the left and aggravation on the right, and it will worry you to death. So if you value your life, you better keep walking down the straight and narrow road. Well, any other road you take will lead you for the blues. If you want to save yourself